nay trời mưa rồi. Ăn gì giờ đây? Canh bí ha. Chịu không?
Good morning YouTube from South Vietnam. It has been raining since 4 a.m., which stopped me from going to the local market. Fortunately, we still have some pumpkin with some pork spine in reserve. Let's make some pumpkin porky soup today. After peeling the pumpkin, wash it as long as the spring onion and the cilantro. Chop the pumpkin into feedable blocks. I am going to use pork spine for this soup. For this type of soup, I prefer using bone so that I could extract the sweet from those bones while cooking. Start heating up the pot with good amount of water. Add a bit of salt. Keep heating until bubbles appear. Drop the spine into the water. Start skimming when foam appears. Be advised, more foam is expected because we use bone for this. After boiling the water for 1 or 2 minutes, add pumpkin in while keep the maximum heat. When the soup started to boil again, skim again. Keep the medium heat until the pumpkin becomes softened. When pumpkin is softened, we could take out the fire and start adjusting the flavor. I'm adjusting the salt only because both the pork spine and the pumpkin have their own sweetener. Sliced spring onion and cilantro are added as the final step. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoy the cooking, hit the like button and please subscribe if you want to see the same content in the next time. Please let me know what do you want me to cook for the next time in the comment below. Bon appetit, over and out.